Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Last couple of days, I've been trying to help somebody with instead of clicking on an item and going over here and pressing no fill, which isn't that big a deal, but he did bring out a one point if you're like me and you just have one row of colors and you go way down here, your no fill's gone. So I put one up here and he actually found the video and it works like right there. No matter what you do, you can just pick, go no fill, no fill. And he wanted to be able to, which would be really great to be able to right click and have no fill up in here. And I talked to my mentor and he said, that's only something people can do that can write macros by code, in which I can't. I can only record macros, but I can show you how to do this, which is really cool. And then another thing, we're going to make a hotkey that would work. So I'm going to go to Tools, Options, Customization, and I'm going to, takes just a second to come up, and have the show all items. And right here, just type no fill. And I've already made one. I'm going to delete it. So I think these are both the same. So I think it'll work. So right here, you could pick any key, but most keys are taken. Like there's a letter U, but are you going to remember that for whatever reason? So, like I have the F key used. Well, I don't, but, okay. So I just came up with alternate in for no fill. And then you got to assign it, like, like assign it and then say, okay. Then I'm going to do that. I'm just going to go alternate in. It's going to take the fill away. It doesn't really save you any time from going up here. Because it's not that big a deal unless you have your colors where your no fill is hidden. But I think this will be easier because you could select those and just go no fill. So this is really the best way. But I just thought I'd show off if you wanted to go alternate in. I wish it was just one keystroke because then you could go and just real quickly, press a key. So to get it up here, let's see if we can get rid of this. Nope, it's there pretty much. There is a way to get rid of that. See if I can figure it out real quick. Oh, customize, toolbar item, delete. Okay. So to get that up here, it's really pretty easy. Go to Tools, Options, Customization, and go to that no fill. There it is right there. And I'm going to take it from here. I'm going to hold down the Control and the Alt key, and that's going to allow me to drag it off. And then I'm going to say okay. So now I can drag it and put it and park it up here. So there it is. So when we want no fill, it's right there, which is really cool. Now, what you could also do with it is right click and customize it and toolbar item and have the caption to the right of image. So it tells you it's no fill in the case you forget what that thing's supposed to look like. So that's probably the better way to do it if you got all these with deal and you want the 6 in the center not to have any fill. You don't have to take your hand off the mouse. And it really not, to me, not any faster than going over here. But now that he brought it up, and he is true, if you only work with your no fill goes away when you're, like say I wanted all this color, but then I want one of these and my no fill's gone. Well, now I can just do that. Anyway, I hope that help him a little bit and somebody in the future. And thank you for watching.